Hi, welcome to MFA. My name is Emily. We have got a 10-minute shadow boxing workout for you today. So grab a water, maybe a towel, and we are good to go. Let's warm up. We have a 90-second warm up. Roll those shoulders, shake it out. You're going to join me in the jumping jacks in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Spread out those fingertips, nice and light on those toes. Just get your body moving. Give me a couple of seconds of these. See how your body feels. Let those shoulders be light on the toes. We're gonna go for about 5 more seconds. We hit the squats. In 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Find those squats for me. Relax. Again, check in. How does your body feel? Maybe you need to sit a little lower in those squats. Maybe you need to stay there. Shake it out. It's the warm up. We gotta get warm. We gotta get ready. We're gonna throw some punches in just a moment. We're gonna find that boxing stance in 5 seconds. Your dominant foot steps back. 3, 2, 1. Dominant foot steps behind. So if you're right-handed, right foot goes back. Just throw me some straight punches. Straight down the middle. Nice and light. Nice and easy. Turn those knuckles over. Jabs and crosses. We're going to go to the hooks in 3, 2, 1. Front hook, back hook. Front hook, back hook. Yep. Elbows high. Big turn. Show me the uppercuts. 3, 2, 1. Uppercuts. Let's go. We're gonna get straight into this workout. I want you to give me those 1s and 2s in 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Find that boxing stance. Here we are. For 30 seconds, you're non-stop. We're straight in. Straight in today. So I want you to think about being light on those toes. Relax those shoulders. And you're going straight down the line. Okay? If you're in a fight, these punches are going straight into the face of your opponent. So, no urgency just yet. We're gonna take it to uppercuts in 3, 2, 1. Now I want you to give me big front uppercut, big back uppercut. Drop those shoulders, bang, bang, reset every time. When you're boxing, you're throwing that punch. Breathe, exhale. Think right under the chin. Drop, drive, here we go. Come on. 15 seconds. Bang, bang. Keep breathing. Scoop those punches like a U shape. Give me one more time. We're gonna find the jump rope. 3, 2, 1. Jump rope. Woo, 30 seconds. Active recovery. Jump rope, really important when you're boxing. So, you got about 20 seconds. We're gonna go some different combinations of those punches, okay? So, light on the toes, catching your breath. If you need to, just bounce, shake it out. If you can stay on that jump rope, stay on the jump rope. We got 10 seconds. We're gonna add some defense in here. Find your fight stance for me. We go jab, cross, duck. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Do it. 1, 2. Down and up. Now we don't need to go really fast. I want you to think about long punches, tight duck. Bang, bang. Down. Here we go. Elbows tight. In. Beautiful. Keep going. 1, 2. Duck. Yeah. 10 more seconds here. Come on. Bang, bang. Straight down the middle. Extend those arms all the way out. They're arm's length away from you. One more time. 3, 2, 1. Hooks now. You're going to go double front hook, double back hook. Keep everything tight. Nice. Turn those feet too. You get to move your whole body because that's going to give you real power. 15 seconds. Come on. Keep them high. Shoulder height. 10 more seconds. Big turn. Back to your face every time to protect yourself from any punch coming at you. One more time. 3, 2, 1. Give me that boxer bounce. Stay in that boxer stance. Hands stay close. They can drop a little bit. Breathe. Okay. We're going to go front arm only. So we're going to work punches from our front arm. That's your jab, your front hook, and your front uppercut. You got 10 seconds. If you need to distract, take it out, do it. If you can keep bouncing, stay with me. Okay, get ready. Find your stance. Front arm only. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Jab, front hook, front uppercut. Just keep that backhand tight. Jab, hook, uppercut. Here we go. Now, you don't have to do it in that order, right? Maybe you want to do 2 jabs, 2 uppercuts, 2 hooks, but keep it from that front arm, okay? 10 seconds. Move your feet a little bit. whatever you want. Back arm is protecting, right? Keep that tight. 3, 2, 1. Do the same thing. This is your dominant side. Keep your front hand tight. Remember, you've got your cross, your back hook, your back uppercut. Turn that knuckle over on that cross. Yep. Strong arm. Dominant arm, okay? You got a bit more power behind it. Maybe you double it. You got about 10 more seconds and we're gonna move on. Shh, shh, shh. Here we go. Defense coming your way in 3, 2, 1. Find it. I want you to roll to the back and then roll to the front. Roll towards your back arm. Here. Front arm. Here. Nice. Imagine you're going under the punch. Under the punch. Elbows are in. Keep everything compact. Keep those knees bent. Under the punch and back. Elbows in. Come on. Reset if you need to. We're going to stay with that defense. You got about 5 more seconds on these rolls. 3, 2, 1. Stay here. I want you to slip to your back. Slip to your front. Add that roll. Okay? Slip. Slip. Roll under. It's like a little crunch. Crunch to the back arm. Crunch to the front arm. Get right underneath. Come on, 10 more seconds. Shh, shh. Keep breathing. Block, block, under. Those legs are gonna really feel it. If you're doing it right, come on, 5 seconds. Shh, shh. 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay here, just the jab. Just the jabs. Extend it. Turn it over so your big 2 knuckles are punching all the way straight. Nice. Light on that back foot. It's about being calm, right? Keeping our cool. 15 seconds. All the way out. Come on. 10 seconds. Straight out, straight in. Bring it back to your face. We got some more footwork after this. In 3, 2, 1. Stay where you are. Skip back. Skip forward. Stay low. Keep your center of gravity loaded through those legs. Hands stay up. Teaching us how to move. Forward and back out the way, chasing your opponent, backing off. 15 seconds. Almost there. Almost there. Come on, stay low, stay tight. You know the drill. 5 more seconds. We're gonna stick with our 1s and 2s, light and fast. 3, 2, 1. Here. Easy. Straight down the middle. When I say hit, you're gonna throw some big uppercuts, just 2 of them. I say hit, you go bang, bang with those uppercuts. 3, 2, 1, hit, bang, bang. Back to your 1s and 2s, go. Keep going. We're here for a while. 90 seconds. When I say hit, you throw 2 uppercuts. 3, 2, 1, hit. Shh, shh, back at it. This is where your breathing really comes into play. Turn those knuckles over. Hit. Come on. Hit. Bang, bang. You're under a minute. It's about endurance, right? That's how we get good at boxing. Nice and light. Turn those knuckles over. We hit. Come on. Come on. I want you to change those uppercuts to hooks. When I say hit, you throw 2 hooks. 3, 2, 1. Hit. Bang. Bang. Keep going. Light. Easy. Hit. Ah. Ah. Come on. 25 seconds. And we're cooling down. 25 seconds, we're cooling down. Hit. Shh. Shh. This is it now. 1s and 2s to the finish line. You got 15 seconds all the way out. Light on those toes, relax those shoulders. We're not stressed. 10 seconds. Hey, hey, hey. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Woo! We got 1 minute to cool down. Shake out those legs for me. Roll those shoulders. 1 minute. Let the heart rate come down. Stay moving around your space if you can. Roll those shoulders a couple times. Roll those arms a couple times. Oh, yeah. I want you to grab your foot if you can. Give me that quad stretch. Push those hips forward. Stretch through that quad. Switch sides. Shake out those arms. Shake out those legs. Give me a big rotation. You made it. 10-minute workout. Done and dusted. Good job.